Greetings everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. So I wasn't going to do this food review because I'm hungry as fuck, but might make $1 off this video. So why not? So in today's food review, I got the Subway Footlong Churro. It's supposed to be made by Cinnabon, I think. Same ingredients. I don't know, to be honest. So this will be the thumbnail. Let's zoom in on that churro. There we go. Sweet. All right, I'm gonna take 2 bites, then I'll give you guys my rating. It's been a while since I had a churro, I'll tell you that. In California, these things were everywhere. Here in Colorado, they're kind of rare. Unless you go to like Costco or, you know, certain places. I think I paid $2 for this, for a foot-long churro. It's not as big as this bag. This bag's huge. I think it's like that big. Damn, I need one more bite. They also have a foot-long cookie and a foot-long pretzel. I tried those. You know, out of all the fast food chains, Subway is pretty cool. I like Subway. I like onions. I like vegetables. You know, it's not too bad. All right. Damn, I put my exposure pretty low and I'm still glowing. All right, so scale 1 to 10, 1 being garbage, 10 being highly recommended. Give it a 5. They could put a little bit more sugar, maybe. Just a plain churro. I have better churros at Costco, and yeah, give it a 5. It's $2 though, you know. But that concludes my review. Thank you guys for watching. Like my video, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks.